I would like to introduce myself. I'm Diogo, the Quinta da Raza's wine producer. In Raza's vineyards, we produce Alvarinho, Arinto, Azal, Trajadura, Padeiro and Vinhão grapes, all native grapes of Vinho Verde region.
In the Vinho Verde region, Salrico de Basto is a microclimate provided by mountains in the west and the river valley Tâmega that, unlike the other rivers of the region, does not run from east to west, but from northeast to southwest, which together prevent the influence of the Atlantic winds. Therefore, the weather is less rainy and has greater temperature ranges. The unique terroir is created by the gentle slopes and the magnificent exposure to the sun. The soil benefits from its granite origins with areas of schist and clay. This is very unusual in Vinho Verde region. My name is Mafalda. I'm Diogo's wife. So Diogo is responsible for producing the grapes and the wine, and I'm responsible for showing it to the world. So here we are. This is a new vineyard. It's a 4-year-old vineyard. Its name is Calçadas. And here we produce Alvarinho, Arinto and Trajadura grapes.
Yes.
This is the main family house, which goes back to the 17th century and has remained in the same family ever since. Since 1987, Diogo has continued the family tradition of Vinho Verde production.
Here is an Azal bunch. It looks like a pine cone. And here is an Arinto bunch. It looks like a partridge foot.
Despite the use of modern technology related to enology, the traditional wine-producing techniques have been maintained. The picking by hand, the use of small boxes, and the threading of the red grapes are carried out by local people with a heritage of experience. The preservation of the vineyard environment has also been of prime importance.
The bunch of Padeiro grapes is very beautiful and big. It's beautiful.
Now let's go to the winery and see how we produce the wine.
Hi, welcome to our winery. My name is Pedro Campos and I'm part of the enology team of Quinta da Raza. First, the grapes are separated from the stems and afterwards transferred to the pneumatic press, where they start the journey to becoming wine. We are now checking the estimated alcohol level of the wine. After coming out of the pneumatic press, the juice is pumped into the steel vats. Here we are able to separate the solid parts of the juice, transforming it in a cleaner juice. During fermentation, a cleaner juice results in a fresher and fruity wine. The next step is the fermentation, which takes 15 to 20 days. The most is natural fermenting in a continuous movement while the CO2 is being released. We hope that our vintage 2012 rewards you with delicious, fresh and fruity wines.